How do you know if someone blocked you on Snapchat? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To know if you have been blocked from your Snapchat application, check out your Snapchat app in your device. So right over here in your Snapchat, you need to head over and tap on the chat box first and foremost. Then you can just scroll and search for the person. Now, if you are someone who is constantly active with a person and if you do not see any display of the name, that is one of the signs that they have blocked you on your Snapchat. Another is by clicking on the search icon and searching for the Snapchat name. Now, if it displays every other user instead of the user that you're searching for, that is another sign that they have blocked you on Snapchat. However, the blocking and the deletion by the person is quite similar. If the person has deleted their Snapchat, then also you might not see their username popped up in a chat feed nor in the search bar. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and thank you so much for